Hi, good morning, dear students. Once again, welcome back to IT class. Okay. In the previous class, we were discuss about how to create an email account and how to send an email and how to attaching files on email, etc. Okay. So today we will discuss the topic reading an email. Okay, reading an email and how to reply and forward an email and downloading attachments, etc. Okay, so this is my email account window. Okay, when I type my email account and enter the password, after clicking the enter key, I can get this window. Okay, this is my email account. Okay, and these are the mails from different senders. Okay, yes, the first sender is Google, second one Indeed, third one this account, third one this, fourth one this, and then Indeed. Okay, these are my different mails from different senders. Okay, now here the compose option is used for sending an email. The next one is inbox. Okay, inbox, and in this we can see a number. Okay, 3628. Okay, the number indicate the number of mails in my account. Okay, in my account there are 3628 messages or mails. Okay, yes, then these are the unread messages. Okay, you look here, Google is unbold and Indeed and this one are in bold. Okay, the unbold are read messages. Okay, the bolded are unread messages. Okay, so now I click on this bolded one for reading. Yes, then we can get the details of that mail. Okay, we can get the details of that mail. This is a mail for to notify the vacancy of a job. Okay, then we want to back to the inbox, then we can click here. Okay, yes, now the Indeed also in unbold. Okay, these unbold are read messages. Okay, then these are the unreaded messages. Now I click on here, then we can get the more details about that mail. Okay, then yes, now this one also unbolded. Okay, this is about reading an email. Okay, we can click on the inbox, then there is a number that indicates how many mails from our email account. Okay, then we want to read an email, we can just go to that mail, then just single click on here, then we can get the more information about that mail. Okay, so now I want to delete this mail. Okay, this is one of my email message. Okay, so I want to delete this mail message from my account. So I can click on here, then there is a tick is appear on that box, then I can click on the delete button. Okay, I can click on the delete button. Now that message is deleted from my account. Okay, yes, so like that, suppose this is my important message. Okay, and there are same senders. Okay, this one Indeed, this one is one. Okay, there are 4 same senders. So we want to move these same senders mail to new folder. Okay, we can create a folder name with Indeed, and we can move these mails to that folder. Okay, so we can just select these mails. Okay, then we can click on the move to button. Okay, yes, then we can type our folder name here. Okay, Indeed, create new. Okay, then create. Okay, now the messages are moved to Indeed. Okay, now I want to move this one and this one. Then I can go to the move to, and here there is a folder. Okay, just before we create a folder name with Indeed. Okay, so the folder is here, then we can click on that, then that 2 messages are also moved to the folder Indeed. Then we want to read once again that mails from that folder Indeed. Then we can click on here and drag and drop the bar. Okay, then you can see a folder Indeed. Okay, just we can click on here. Okay, then we can see the messages which are moved to the Indeed folder. Okay, can you see? Yes, so like this we can create any folder according to our choice, and we can move such same mails. Okay, same senders mail to that folder. Okay, this is easy for reading an email from specific senders. Okay, yes. Then the next topic is downloading attachments. Okay, so we can go to the inbox. Okay, then here there is an attachment. Okay, can you see? Grade 1 PPTX. Okay, this is an attachment. We can just click on this mail, then we can get the details, more details about that mail. Okay, this is our attachment. Okay, then we can go to this icon. Okay, and move the mouse over to that icon, then we can see a download option. Okay, this one. Okay, now we discuss about how to downloading an attachment. Okay, then we can just click here. Here the attachment is downloaded. Okay, we can just click on here. Yes, now we can get to the attachments. Okay, yes, this is my file. Okay, yes, this file is attached from the sender. Okay, yes, so this is the step for how to download an attachment. Okay, for downloading an attachment we can just click on that mail, then we can move the mouse over to that attachment, then we can press the down arrow key, that is the option for downloading. Then we can just click on here, then we can get the downloaded files on the left bottom side. Then we can just click on that, then we can get the opened attached file. Okay, then the next topic is reply and forward. Okay, reply and forward. So this is my mail from the sender Rashida. Okay, so I want to reply to this message. Okay, so we can move to here on the right side. Then this is the date of getting the message. Okay, March 5th 10:32 a.m. the sender sent this mail to me. Okay, this is the date and time of the mail received. Okay, then this is the option for not start. Okay, and this is the option for reply, and I can click here on the reply button. Yes, now we can type the reply here. Okay, now I type received. Okay, received. Then I can click on the send button. Then that message is going to the sender Rashida Chalil. Okay, so like this we can reply to the sender. Okay, yes. Then the next option is forward. Okay, so we can have this attachment, then we want to forward this attachment to another person, so we can click on the forward option. Okay, then we can mention that email address we want to forward this message. Okay, so I want to forward this message to someone like this. Then after that I can click on this send message. Then this message is forwarded to this person. Okay, forward message is like you send the messages from your WhatsApp to another person. Okay, like that. So these are the topics about email. Okay, so then the next topic is how to sign out from the email account. Okay, now our work is finished and we want to sign out from this account, so we can just go to the right top side. Then you can see a letter R. Okay, yes, and click on here. Then we can drag this bar. Then at last you can see the sign out option. Okay, then click on this sign out option. Our account is signed out. Okay, yes, can you see? Yes, so these are the topics about email. Okay, in this chapter we were discussed about how to create an email account, how to send an emails and how to attach an email, like that, how to download an attachment and how to reply and forward the messages, and at last we discuss about how to sign out from the email account. Okay, so our chapter is finished. I will send the exercise portions now, so all of you submit the notes of this chapter before 8 p.m. today. Okay, so once again thank you all of you.